everyone, it's Amanda. I just wanted to share an app that is new from APH called CodeQuest. It is obviously a coding app created for people who are blind and visually impaired, but it's also fun for people who are sighted or have low vision as well. It's available on the iOS Apple App Store, and I'm pretty sure it's available for Android devices as well. The picture of it, at least for Apple products, is of a little guy with blue hair in an astronaut outfit in space, and it is a coding app. So I'm just going to go ahead and press play, and you can kind of watch me play around with it, and then at the end I'll kind of give you some tips on what I think is a good way to teach this to students.
On App Store, CodeQuest, Landscape, Open, CodeQuest. You win. You took 4 steps. Your best performance is 4 steps. You got 3 stars. Congratulations.
So VoiceOver, when it's on, it reads all of the menus to you, and it's completely accessible for people who are blind and visually impaired.
Next level, button, play again, button. This is your ship's computer, ZX5. I need you to return to me so that we can fly back to our home. To reach the ship, count the steps you need to move, then move that many steps to the right.
And then you can
This is your start level, button. Planet Kratos, back button. The level is 1.
So here I'm just going to kind of hit swipe to the right for finding the next thing on the screen. Later on I'm going to show you how you can teach someone to be oriented to the screen to kind of help them strategize their plan.
1 rows and 5 columns. The astronaut is located at row 1 and column 1. The rocket ship is located at row 1, column 5. There is no alien in this level. Planet Kratos, level 1, best stars, 3, best performance, 4 steps, astronaut, row 1, empty, 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 rocket ship, show editing cursor, left button, up button, down button, right button. Erase, read commands, help button, play button.
So that's kind of what the app looks like if you're playing it and you know really well, like you know your strategy right away. And so we're gonna watch or listen to VoiceOver read us this screen, and then a little bit next we'll see about how we have to strategize and maybe go back and forth within the screen.
You took next level, but play again, but back to play next level. Walls cannot be walked through. Move right and down to reach the ship. Remember to count your steps before moving. Start level, button. Planet Kratos, back button. The level is 3 rows and 5 columns. The astronaut is located at row 1 and column 1. The rocket ship is located at row 3, column 5. There is no alien in this level. Planet best star, best astronaut, row empty, Cappy, M, P, T, Y, empty, row empty, empty, unbreakable wall, Cap U, unbreakable wall, row 2, column, unbreakable wall, row 2, empty, cap, M, P, T, T, empty, astronaut, row 1, column 1, empty, row 1, column 2, empty, row 1, column 3,
So
empty,
here I'm
row
figuring
1,
out how
column
many
4, empty, row
things
1,
there are
column
in row
5,
one, so that I can go down and press right button.
unbreakable, right button,
So I've moved my finger all the way down where I know the right button is, and assuming that I have been taught the orientation of the screen.
astronaut, row 1, empty, 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 row, play button, help button, astronaut, empty, 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 unbreakable wall, empty, rocket ship, row 3,
So here I've
column
changed
5,
strategies to just moving my fingers around the screen to
empty,
figure out
row
the-
1,
the
empty,
maze.
rocket ship,
or
row
the
3,
finger
column
pointing.
5, left button, up button, down button.
So what I really like about this really fast is that if you have taught someone the orientation of the screen, so like at the top left is where your astronaut guy is, and it'll tell you at the beginning how many rows and how many columns there are, and you can do the finger walk or the finger maze to figure out the route that he needs to go, and go back and forth between that, and then knowing at the bottom left hand side of the screen are the codes for up, down, left, and right, and then on the right side of the screen you can erase. You can clear the entire thing, you can hear the steps that you've done, you can go to the help menu, or you can just hit play if you're ready to finish the level. So if you can just teach those orientations, as top left is your maze, the bottom left are your codes, and the bottom right are the things that you can do to get VoiceOver to interact for you.
Erase button. Erase all
Press too
button.
many down
Read commands
arrows.
button.
Now I'm gonna read. And each code has a different
Help,
sound
play button.
to help differentiate that. So here we go, my little guys.
You win.
And I have
You took 6 steps. Your best performance is 6 steps. You got 3 stars. Congratulations.
So rather than watching me do the next level, I just wanted to share this. I think it would be a really great tool to teach some of the orientation inside of an iOS device to someone who's just learning VoiceOver. And then I also think it's great for students who are a little bit older and who are interested in learning coding, or just for us TVIs to practice getting better at using VoiceOver during the summer, and then a nice fun reward for students during ESY services or even at the end of lessons. Like you saw, it just takes a couple minutes to finish a level, and it's really cool. So kudos to APH for coming out with this app. It's absolutely wonderful.